Hello, welcome to this video. I'm going to show a quick demo on how to do jelly tips. I'm going to quickly remove some of my leftover cuticles. This is a diamond bit, so it's nice and fine. It won't take off too much. I'm adding the UNT Peely base coat, and I'm going to then add the Blackbird HEMA free gel base coat and cure that on top of the Peely base coat. This is the Luxie Builder Gel. It is HEMA free. I am getting a small dollop onto my brush. I am getting rid of the excess on the foil lid, and I am going to place that into the well of the nail that I've already etched with my e-file, and then I'm going to apply that to my thumb at the cuticle and start there and then slowly press down, and this will squeeze the gel towards the free edge of the nail. I grabbed the wrong tip and prepped the wrong one, so I will redo this one. You get to see me go ahead and etch the nail and then redo all my steps. So here you go. You want to etch everywhere this nail is going to touch your natural nail to make sure it will adhere and not come off before you're ready. All right, go ahead and take this time to file any extra builder gel away and finalize any shaping. Go ahead and you can take your tips in a little bit. You can narrow them down any more that you want to, or thin them out at the cuticle a little more, especially if you're going to do dip over these. You want that cuticle to be really nice and thin and a little bit below your cuticle line so that it will support having dip there without it having this really noticeable edge. So far, I've really liked the double dip jelly full cover nails because they have supported shape changing the best. I've found I can go from coffin to stiletto to almond really easily and without really losing the structure or the relative thickness of the tip. And yeah, I've just really liked them. And then if you do find that you've lost a little bit of the strength, you can go ahead and go over the top with a layer or two of builder gel or base coat, and that will thicken them up again and bring back that strength. I'm refining my shape here, bringing the edges in. I'm really looking for a nice almond, slim almond versus like a coffin or a stiletto. And I am able to file the top and really bring that down and bring that shape and keep the apex where I want it by doing this method. And I also will buff the top to ensure that the dip stays and adheres to the top of the jelly nail. And overall, you'll want to do that if you would like to keep the gel and the dip stuck to the top of the jelly nail. If you don't, if you would like to be able to change it, you can just go ahead and use peel base and keep it smooth. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. See you next time.